What's happening, everyone? Welcome back. Tonight we're going to weld a diff in the Lada. I'm just after getting in the car now. We're after driving it down to London, and George Barkley, one of the drivers from the UK who we met at Speed Week, he's after offering up his workshop and welder, so we're going to go down and visit him tonight, put the Lada on the ramp for the first time, have a look around it, and hopefully pop the diff out, take a look at it and weld her up and put it all back together, and yeah, then see what she can do with the welded diff. I'm already after ordering a handbrake as well. That's coming from my friends at Group D in Ireland, Darren McNamara. So when that comes, we're gonna again get a workshop here in the UK, fit the hydraulic handbrake, and then take it drifting. So let's see how far we get tonight, and let's see if it's gonna be a bit more fun once the diff is welded. So I'm excited. This car, I don't know why, it's so simple and like there's nothing to it, but it really makes me laugh and smile. Like driving it around London City, there's people looking at it wondering what the hell is that, and just hearing it screaming its little brains out in first and second gear. It's hilarious. It's making Becky cringe herself to death, but it's just very entertaining for me. So now I'm just waiting for Becky to come back, and then we're gonna head down to George's, get the car on the ramp, and take from there.
I was so embarrassed. Like,
you cannot be embarrassed of a car that makes such sweet noises.
Stop it.
Oh, everyone's looking, they love it.
I can't even deal with it. Like, you know when your dad drops you off at school? I mean, to be fair, my dad used to drop me off at school in something cool, and then you sort of sink down in the seat. How many people have we had asking us if we're Russian?
About 4 now. People coming up to the window, asking us to wind down the window, and I just do that. And they start speaking to us in Russian. It's literally the most fun. Oh, I lied. Watch.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. She's healthy though. Right, so we're here down at George Barkley's place. Sweet little workshop. Nice collection here. Harley. Little old Chevy. What year is it?
53.
53, and his drift car. So,
And the golf buggy.
and a golf buggy, and a ramp, and what's most important, a welder. Okay, let's get her off and see what we need to do. You ready to get your hands dirty, Becky? Yeah? There's some nice gloves here. Is it going to be rotten? That's the first question. Okay. Nice little small diff in the girl.
It's so little.
It's a baby diff. Hey.
Is that just all under seal?
Yeah, it's quite well under seal actually.
I was going to say, why does it look burnt?
It's just like tar. That's a bit chipped off here, but I'd say the chassis is really good. Wow.
Is that an oil? No.
Yeah, it's just years of caked up gear transmission oil. Okay.
Look, is this like a guard?
A little thumb guard. That's aftermarket, I'd say.
That's fairly serious.
It's
though.
sweet, yeah. Yeah, okay, so we can put it on banks. Right, what do we have here?
There must be some rust on it.
It's actually not bad at all, man. Structure-wise, it's very good. I'm very surprised. Look at the steering box. So instead of a steering rack, you have this box up here like an old Land Rover. That's why the steering response is so bad.
Look, it's your problem now, babe.
Right. Right, let's, I think, get stuck straight in. Yeah, we just have to take off these ring of bolts here, take the drive shaft off.
Would you take these off?
Yeah, like, we have a bit of cleaning to do.
Oh,
right, so look, let's just see what happens. Oh my god, the axle seals are leaking already. Alright, she is gonna love this. What about the handbrake cable? We can tighten the handbrake cable more.
Yeah?
Yeah, sweet, there's more adjustment in it. So we might try that before fitting the hydraulic.
Okay.
Okay, let's just start with something.
Crack on?
Ready? How old is this going to be? Or is there even going to be something in there? There will. Could be water, could be oil, could be... I hope there's no gears.
Oh.
Come on. Ooh, wow, that's fresh. What a well-maintained machine. That's lovely stuff.
Is it?
Okay, we might put that back in.
No, that is not too bad actually. It's not black.
It's mint. Oh my god, look, there's even a magnet in it. I am very impressed for the age of it.
And it's got a lot of underseal on it, but it's actually done it quite a favour because even though there's some surface rust on it,
I think
solid.
it's fairly solid.
Yeah, there's nowhere that's...
It is quite
Yeah.
I'm not going to sit here and act like I checked the car out before I bought it, because I didn't. I bought it blind off the internet. But there's got to be some theory which says it was, have faith and it'll be fine.
Yeah.
I have to slip the shafts over. More examples.
These are winters.
Straight in.
Take it to the next level.
Straight in for the kill.
Winter's death.
Would be fucking lucky, lads. Oh, that's brilliant.
Mind the old
That's
Fiat.
literally brilliant. I never seen a diff leaking oil, like pissing oil from here, front nose of the diff. We got 2 leaky half shaft, outer bearing seals, and the diff is leaking oil too. So it's definitely a car we'll need to check the diff oil in quite regularly. But we have the 2 shafts pulled, undo these ring of bolts around the diff. Diff should hopefully pull straight out, and then we go welding.
Alrighty.
We'll get in there.
Am I helping?
No.
I held the stick.
You held the stick. You're making noise.
Hey, I'm holding things, which means I'm helping.
Yeah, great help. Right, so the diff should pop straight out now.
Oh my god.
Oh, maybe the shafts need to be pulled more. Can you guys pull the 2 shafts, like from this cover, just pull them outwards? Yeah. And the same on that side, and we'll see if we can get enough. Yeah. Okay, sweet.
She's out.
1 diff.
It's a quaif.
And there we have it. So in a second, we'll be filling up here with weld and making her solid.
How's date night?
It's good. What night is it?
So good.
Thursday night. Last night cinema, this night diff. Spider gears in here are really small, and the half shaft sits right in there. You probably can't see my finger. So if we do get a lump of weld down there, we are screwed. So I might put something in there to hopefully slow that down. Stop that from happening.
She locked yet?
Just getting there, just step by step, lock her together. She is locked up, and what do you think? Smell good?
Oh, so good. Smells old.
Oh yeah, it is old. We got a lovely original gasket here, oil gasket, which is in great condition, and like the great condition oil gasket, we have a really nice half shaft O-ring gasket, which is in mint condition. Should be up in there. So yeah, I think she's gonna be, you might be able to follow us in our tracks when you're chasing this car, because there'll be just a streak of oil trailing us around the place. But diff as well, time to get her back in and see will she do circles. So what did you learn, Becky? Nothing?
I learned, no I did. You have to put a load of weld to stop the spider gears from synchroing.
Yeah?
Boy, school, maths,
Were you good
learning.
at maths? Were you good at maths?
I was really bad at maths actually.
So back in, half shafts are back in. Just putting on the drums now. Tighten these up and put on the prop shaft.
I don't want to talk too soon, but this is actually touch metal. It's gone okay. We've been
we could have some leaks, but
okay.
yeah.
I don't want to speak too soon. I don't want to do that thing where you're like, oh, this is all going great.
Thanks to Fanta for sponsoring this video. What time is it?
It is 9. 9-ish.
Brilliant.
9-ish.
Yeah, like, you know, I'm on my holidays and I didn't want to get my hands dirty, so I wasn't sure how motivation would work tonight, but we're not doing that.
What's happening now? It's just like it's like the clock's gone past 9, past the watershed, and now it's all that. LS power?
Tandem action. Lada versus V8 energy.
Ah, Jesus.
Right on.
Ready? We are back in business.
This will be interesting. Are you coming for a spin or?
Yeah.
Feel the handbrake. Tighten her up.
Oh, she is
Feels
tight.
good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's not kind of power, but it's slow. No way! Like, I've never seen anything like it. What have I actually done? Like, he's so happy in a Lada.
I hope that my other half is watching this thinking, like, I know what to get him for Christmas. Chevy, if you're watching, Lada.
I've never seen him. Look at the grin on his face.
Flag.
Fucking brilliant. It's so bawdy and funny and horrible. It's brilliant.
Surprised though, it suits him for his size.
Oh, stop. Honestly. I was, right, hold on. I'm just waiting for the bang. He's in the middle of a puddle now.
That's right, it's like
Oh,
5 deep. Any of them he hits, if he takes a lot out, it's only about £1 million.
oh my
Like every time he comes around, he gets happier. Like legit, he's like climbing.
He's doing that thing where he smiles so much his ears like crease.
Like you see his smile here. It's like pulling up to pick your mates up.
I want to drive it, but at the same time, like, no way.
Do a few donuts down there if you want. Hi, Becky. What you think of it?
She just needs some power.
I know, yeah. It's so boldy as well.
Yeah, that is a hard car to drive.
Oh, yeah.
That is really hard. Oh my god. That was close. No, mark on the thing!
165 horsepower versus 650, like that's definitely probably the biggest percentage difference I've ever had in a battle. The lights are working, the trailer lights.
Joe, what?
That is some machine. Look, not even a scratch.
Brilliant times, brilliant times. So, George, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you very much for the workshop. Thank you for the help. Sorry about your car, but this thing is perfect. Absolutely perfect. Becky, what do you think?
Oh, my cheeks hurt.
Oh, I have a pain in the back of my head from laughing while driving. Brilliant. Right, great night here at George Barclay's place. Great to see his workshop, hang out and do some tandem drifting. 180 versus Lada. Absolutely great times. That's it for this week, so we'll see you all next week. Take care, guys. Thank you.